so here we go, approaching the room. The decor is amazing, and here you'll find just sort of this wooden marble combination. Oops. And then the doors are magnetic, so I just go ahead and plop the key on, open the door. Hi, Dad. And then you come in and you have your little mini bar area with coffee that's complimentary, and it's illy, so it's good. And then I requested 2 beds so my dad and I could relax. Hi.
Hi.
Happy retirement.
Thank you.
And then it comes with a bit of welcome fruit. And then just really nice decor, a huge bed on this side. Then we begin to walk into the bathroom. We have our toilet here with an awesome glass door. I really love the decor here. You walk on out, and then you have this sink with 2 sides, and on each side you can see there is a set of toiletries. So this is my dad's side. Oops, hi. And this is my side. It's kind of messy, but you know, I have a lot of stuff. More mirrors. And then we have this huge closet here, and then these doors actually close and it turns into another mirror. And then this is the shower area, and it's beautiful because it's kind of like you're showering outside, but you're not quite. And you can see the ocean, but the leaves cover it, so you have privacy. You have a bathtub as well as a shower. And then coming back here, I'm just gonna take us right back outside. Then we have the ocean front, which is where this suite gets its name. And then you open it up, and it's just super beautiful. You just hear the ocean waves.